It's Penny and the Professor. What's new?
What's new?
What's new with you? When Penny has a question, the Professor has an answer. She likes to help out everyone. That curious penguin asks all the right questions to help us all learn right along. It's Penny and the Professor. It's Penny and the Professor. Here's Penny.
Hi kindergartners, and welcome to lesson 26. So Penny was just asking me a question. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's a good question. So Penny wants to know more about how does rhyming work. So we learn about rhyming in our other lessons, and we practice rhyming, and we've read some books with rhyming in them. And she was just thinking, how does that work? Because maybe it has something to do with taking a deeper exploration into our words and pictures for Rap-a-Tap-Tap. I think she might be right. So let's check in with Fluffy and Cassie and make sure we remember what our questions are that we're working on. Hold on just a second. Let me get Fluffy. Hey, Fluffy. Come on over here, dude. How's it going? Good? So, Fluffy, what was your question again? Oh, okay. Sure, I'll get that. So, Fluffy says the question is, how do our senses help us learn from Rap-a-Tap-Tap? Which is a really interesting question because we're talking about dancing and music and movement, and our senses are going to play a big part in that with Rap-a-Tap-Tap, right? So we're listening, we're maybe singing along, tap into the dances, we're moving our feet and using our sense of touch, we're using our sense of sight to see Bojangles dance and to see all the people and all of the things in the illustrations. So good question, Fluffy. We're working on your focusing question, and we will get to our focus question task soon. All right, cool. You want to wave bye to the kids? Bye, kids. All right, I'm going to put Fluffy back over here and check in with Cassie. Cassie, can you tell me what your question is that we're working on right now? Oh, I've got your card right over here. Just one second. There it is. What does a deeper exploration of the words and illustrations reveal? Now, we just did a real deep exploration of the illustrations. And now Cassie said, why don't we think about the words a little bit more? And are there any rhyming words that could help answer for Penny how rhyming might work in our book? I bet we can take a look at that. Thanks, Cassie, for your question. Put you over here with Fluffy and get Penny back up here. All right, so Penny, taking a deeper exploration means we're going to look at the words just like we looked at the pictures really closely. So when we're looking at those words, let's think about looking for ones that rhyme. What do you guys think? Good idea? I think so too. All right, so first of all, what does it mean when words rhyme? What do we mean when we say, does that rhyme? What does that mean? Anybody know? That's right, Penny. When two words rhyme, they sound the same at the end of the word. So, not the beginning, at the end of the word. So, I think that's something we might want to put on our word wall. So I'll add the word rhyme to our word wall to make sure that we remember that rhyming means that they sound the same at the end of the word. Easy peasy. All right, oh, easy peasy. Those rhyme. Perfect. I just made a rhyme. Didn't even know it. All right, so let's do some repeated language. Do you guys remember when we read chicka chicka boom boom? Yeah? Well, I'm going to put our repeated language up, and I want to say that with you guys. So I'll say it, and then you echo me. Here we go. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Now you. Did you guys hear any rhyming words in that? I did too. So I heard boom and room. They both end with the sound. That's perfect. Now, what do you notice about rhyming words in Rap-a-Tap-Tap? Have we heard any in this book? Let's pop it up here. Rap-a-tap-tap. Think about that. I hear rap and tap. Rap, tap. They both end with the ap chunk. Think about that. Sort of sounds similar, but that has a t at the end, and tap has a p at the end. So they don't quite rhyme, but they sound good together. Let's read some of our book and take a deeper exploration at the words and see if we can find another rhyme. Let me grab our book. It's way up here on a shelf. I gotta reach high. Ellie's watching it for me. I got it. Okay, so let me read just the beginning of the book. Let's see if we can find any rhymes in our book. Let's start here. There once was a man who danced in the street. Rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. Now, the rap-a-tap-tap, we know rap and tap rhyme. Let's see if we can find something to rhyme with street. So, there once was a man who danced in the street. He brought pleasure and joy to the people he'd greet. Wow, so street and greet are rhyming words. Would you agree? Yeah, and they're on different pages, but they still rhyme. So it's kind of like a sing-songy book, right? You got a word on one page and you read it through to the next page and there's a rhyme. So I'm going to put those two words on sticky notes for myself. I'm going to put the word street on a sticky note and the word greet on a sticky note. And then I'm going to put them together. So I have street and greet. Those both rhyme. Now, what I want you guys to do is look through the rest of the book, listen to the story one more time. I'm going to put the video on here for you to listen to it one more time. As you're listening to the book, think of sets of words that might rhyme, like street and greet, and draw them on sticky notes. So take 2 sticky notes. Maybe you have 2 different colors of sticky notes. I have pink and blue at my house. So draw on one of them the first word and on the other one the second word, and try to label your words so we know which 2 words rhyme together from the book. That is your assignment today. I can't wait to see what other rhymes you find. We found rap and tap, and we found street and greet. See if you can find some other words that rhyme as you listen to the story. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.